Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Tuck Notes, Beginner Stock Talk, and Crypt Notes 2. I sincerely apologize for the horrible resolution. I'm just telling you right off the bat. I was at work and I spilled water on my phone, and now I have that moisture in there. You know, you could probably fill the rest of the story out. So, anyways. My name's Tucker, and I am your host for this episode, or for Tuck Notes. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. And I've got somewhat interesting news today. It's not always great, but you know, I'm doing it. So, we're going to talk today about the best. One of the best high growth stock to buy now, the crypto crash 2021, and buying the dip, and when is the dip? And, I've talked about this a lot in the past, so this isn't anything new. So first off, I'm going to talk about a new company. Well, it's not new, but it's maybe new to some of you. Others, I've made a video on this. It's called Kits. It's a sunglass company, and it's just making bank right now. And my source had it. I don't want to give anything up, but yeah. So, anyways, it's on this stock. It's an over-the-counter stock. It's not on Robinhood. It's not on Webull. Well, maybe it's on Webull, but it's called KITS, and there's a millionaire. I'm going to give you the background about it as much as I can, and the brief interview questions that were given by another interviewer to the interviewee. Said that right? Okay. So, what makes Kit so good? All right. So it's a multi-billionaire business. It's not just like a mom and pop shop. This is like a big deal. And it's almost like a revolution in a way too, because these sunglasses, you can basically make your own sunglasses, and that's what this does. That's what Kits does. Any type of sunglass, anything. There's 3 founders that hold 75%. So 375. That's each person holds 25% of the company, basically, of the outstanding shares. So there's 25% left of shares remaining for us. So why am I saying that? Because it's heavily controlled, right? You're not going to come in there and try to move some money around and see a big thing jump up or down. That's not going to happen. It also, but here's some good news. This is, I don't know, is a ticker symbol or it's BREIF, brief. It's all capital. Kits Ltd reported Q1 revenue rose 42% to costs of, I think it says C, and I'm thinking that costs to 20.43 million. So they did pretty good on their first go around of their first time. And I'm remembering the video now and thinking I should have, maybe, could have, would have, I don't know, but whatever, to it. But if you like Kits and you're into it and you think it's going to go somewhere, then by all means go. I've written and drawn a graph right here. It's backwards though, but it's kind of a picture of the graph of where KITS is, and it's backwards too. Isn't that pretty though? It's $7.73. The high that it had recently was $9.12. Its last low was $6.75, and now it's at $7.73. Its 52-week high was $10.20. The suggested price target is $17. The ticker symbols, if you're interested in buying it, over-the-counter market, the ticker symbol is KTYCF. And if you're in, I guess, Canada, the ticker symbol is KITS. And the founders are buying more shares on these dips, which means they are going to be owning more and more of the majority of the company. So go online, check it out, see what KITS is all about. I didn't even plan that. And see what types of different sunglasses they have offered. You know, see if maybe I might buy some sunglasses from them. There's a new eye care platform, and it's built to serve the customer today, not tomorrow or yesterday. And there's a big attraction with customers right now. A lot of people are flocking to this company. I'm not kidding, I swear to God. And they're building up manufacturing. They're working on manufacturing, basically doing the stuff that Tesla's doing right now with their factories. So this is kind of in the, what I'm talking about is kind of the interview also. So I'm telling you that a little bit later. Apologize, but what to look for next is a lead platform in this space. Well, they are the leading platform in this space. They're disruptive from offline services to online services. Now people are buying things all online. Well, not all, but most of them are online. Versus before, we would drive to the place and buy it. So that's a big hit. What is being listed on the Teen Mac? So this is a question that was asked to the CEO, and it was basically, I don't know what the TSX is, but it's a big deal. And so if you're listed on the TSX, that's a noteworthyable thing to say or ask. And what does being listed on the TSX mean for you, for your company and its shareholders? And he said, I'm excited to get institutional investors involved. I'm thinking right now, out of the middle of my head, ballpark, just like having 75% of it controlled can be actually a good thing, because if it's not, and it's the people that do it, well, what if the people fall apart? Then everything falls apart. Maybe there's more structure with those guys, with people, and that's why they do that, maybe. So the crypto market, so now we're finished with that. We're talking about the overall stock market is dropping crazy. I knew this was happening. I told you guys with the whole Wyckoff deal. And first we go to Ethereum. It went below 2,000 to $1,876.30. Doge went below 20 cents down to 18, maybe 16 cents. The crypto market is just dropping like flies all over the place. Altcoins are dropping too. Bitcoin's below 32,000. Why? This is it here. Listen. Because China is really cracking down on crypto miners. That's why it started this whole sell-off and had main headline to probably every magazine. And for Doge, 20 cents at 18 cents. My source on his computer screen. I don't know if he does this on purpose or not. I would, but he had it on his computer screen that the next support line, if it drops, we could see it, Dogecoin, go down to 8 cents. 0.0852. And if it goes even more, 0.0405. So basically half of that. So my friends, be careful investing in the crypto world. We may see another significant drop or 2 more significant drops. So be on the lookout. Just, I don't know. For me, I'm on my phone, looking at my phone, waiting, or set up a limit price and buy it like that. And cross your fingers and hope that it gets to that number. Or you can be a little bit bullish and raise it and pretty sure, confidently know that you'll get it. I don't know which way I'm going to go yet, but I definitely am waiting for Ethereum to go down lower. I think it'll go down lower, and I think it'll have the possibility to go down to 1,500. And if it does, that's a big win for a lot of people. Anyways, enough of me. Love you guys. Thank you so much for viewing my videos. Tuck Notes, YouTube, Instagram. Oh, on Instagram, you have to hear this. On Instagram, I post a lot of stock and cryptocurrency stuff relatable to what I have on YouTube. So it's highly advisable to go onto my Instagram or follow me, however you want to do it, and check out what I have on my dailies, because I put a lot of things on there because I can draw things on there, and I can't do that with YouTube. So unless it's backwards and I'm showing it to you, which is stupid. So it's at Tucker MLO. Okay, Instagram at Tucker MLO. Love you guys. Have a good night. Peace.